how to see first message on Instagram without scrolling.
Hello everyone, this is a Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started.
If you want to see the first message on Instagram, you have to scroll a lot to reach to the first message. In this tutorial, I'll show you some easy steps or ways you can easily do it. So you just have to go to the Play Store and search for the automatic scroll application, and here you have to tap on this application and you have to install it. Here I have already installed it, so I'll just open this, and you just have to allow all the permissions that require this app to operate. After that, you just have to enable these two options. Simply toggle it and a toolbar will appear at the right side of your screen, as you can see on my screen. Now go to the Instagram application and there go to the chat which you want to see the first message. After that, what you have to do is simply tap on this up scroll button. You just have to tap here for 3 to 4 times. Okay, so here you will reach to the first message of the chat on Instagram, and when you tap at this scroll down button and you will reach to the button, and again you will reach up. So it's a easy method where you don't have to keep scrolling up or down to reach to the first message or to the last message.
Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now and I'll catch you in the next one.